In this video, I will be showing you how you can download Capcut video editor into your PC. So, without much ado, let us get started. Go into your browser and then you search for Capcut website on Google. So that's what I'm doing. You search for Capcut website and then you hit on search and then you will see it on the very first page. You see CapCut in one video editing software, and then can you see once you click on it, this is the interface of their website CapCut.com. Then you see download for Windows. So once you click on download for Windows, it's going to start downloading, and then the size is of about 372 megabytes. So you keep downloading, and then for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to skip. So it has been downloaded, and then if you want to install, just go to open the file location and then click on open, and then it shows this, and then you have to click on agree with CapCut, and then you click on install now. So it's installing, and then it reaches 99. It's going to give you some time, just give it a little time. It's going to install, so I'm going to skip it, but at your own side it may take for like maybe 3 to 4, even to 5 minutes for it to install the software. So once it has been installed, you just begin, you just open it. Okay, so it's still on 99. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe to this channel, and then I'll be really be grateful for that. Like and comment on this video. I will be really grateful. So still kind of still installing, and then as it is installing, you can see the display on the page. Caption has been made easy, better editing, layout, spices with a library, better layout, and then wow, I will still make some review about this software because it's so easy using on phone. However, the system version, and then I could see that the system version 2 is very interesting. So yeah, the software has been installed, and then you could see that the system is actually fetching for it. So the same thing can also happen if you are installing a new software into your machine. So I actually make all this thing so that you will understand. Now, as I want to install, I have an antivirus on my system. Wanted to block the program, if you have, just click up keep run. So that's the reason why I did not skip nor jump any tutorial, because you really need this information. If you block it, you will not be able to use this software even on your PC. So I click on keep run, and then of course it's going to start to fetch. The first time you install a program or software, it may not really work very well, but by the time you start using it, you will discover that. So it has opened, and then at its opened, is something just crashed. Can you see the shortcut version of the system? So I can easily click on it, and then I'm going to look for the program in order to see whether it has properly installed. And then I'm looking for Capcut. Can you see? So I just click on open, and then you see interface is being loaded, and then I have to wait a minute, and boom, the software has been installed. And this is the interface of the software. Then I'm just going to play with it for some little period to see how this something looks like. And then that is the interface where you can drag in things, and I want to see if the table can be arranged, the slider, make it big, and then these are the transition, you see, these are the adjustments, and then this is where you input your things. But one thing about this software is you have to connect to the internet in order to get some of your stuff. So this is how to download and install this software on the PC. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.